So let's try to run our flogin and see what we have. Let's not select any username or type any password. Let's just click on the login button. Okay, so we have a runtime error 3075 and it says syntax error, missing operator in query expression user ID is equal to nothing. Okay, so what that means is that it is expecting us to select something from here. Now, even though we wrote a code, that exits the sub here on the combo when there is when we haven't selected, if there is nothing in there, that doesn't work when we are using the login button. Now remember, on the login button we wrote a line which says if there's nothing here and there's nothing here and there's nothing in the fuser ID, then the code should exit. So it looks like that is not working. So since this is the one that is giving us a problem, that's the one that we're going to use in our verification. So when you click on the button, we should come and check if there's anything in there, and if there is nothing, then the code should break. Okay, so that's the line that we are going to write. Let's go to design view. Okay, so here we are on the login button code. So it looks like this is not doing well. So what we're going to do is that we're going to try to use this. Let's just say else if is now needed username, and do nothing. To avoid our code breaking, let's try to use NZ on the fuser. Fuser ID. Okay, I think this should work. If this doesn't work, then this line should help us to avoid the error. And if there's nothing there, there shouldn't be anything. And if there is something, then this should be checked. And if the statement is false, this should happen. If it's true, this should happen. Alright, so let's try to check and see what we have. Okay, let's run our login form. Let's not select anything or type anything, let's just click on this button. Okay, so the button is silent now. I think this is what we want to happen. Let's try to select the person now. Let's remove password and let's click on this. It's silent. Let's try to type the wrong password. Type the correct password. Okay, everything is working well now. Okay, let's log up. That is nice.